To send money from Pakistan to England, you need to follow a series of steps. First, choose a money transfer service that suits your needs, such as banks, money transfer companies like Western Union or MoneyGram, or online services like PayPal or TransferWise. Each service has its own fees, exchange rates, and transfer times, so compare them to find the best option for you. For example, banks may offer a more traditional and secure method but with higher fees, while online services may offer lower fees but with less personalized customer support. Once you have chosen a service, gather the necessary information, including the recipient's name, address, and bank account details if applicable. You will also need to provide your own identification and proof of address to comply with anti-money laundering regulations. Next, visit the website or branch of your chosen service and create an account if you do not already have one. Fill in the transfer details, including the amount you want to send and the recipient's information. Review the fees and exchange rates carefully before confirming the transfer. After confirming the transfer, you will receive a reference number or tracking number to monitor the progress of your transfer. The recipient will typically receive the funds within a few days, depending on the service and the transfer method. To get the best exchange rate and lowest fees, consider using a service that specializes in international money transfers, such as TransferWise or Zee. These services often offer more competitive rates and lower fees than traditional banks. Finally, keep a record of your transfer, including the reference number and the amount sent, in case you need to track the transfer or resolve any issues that may arise. By following these steps and choosing the right service for your needs, you can send money from Pakistan to England quickly, securely, and with minimal hassle.